Sometimes the only way to troubleshoot a problem reported by one of your users is to actually put yourself into their place. That is why Admin Toolbox for Jira now comes with a handy user switcher. Just use the keyboard shortcut G and U and choose a user from the dropdown. Once you're done, you can use the same combination to switch back to your user again. Every switch is tracked within the native audit log so that it can be tracked who has used this feature and when. By default, this feature is restricted to Jira system administrators. However, you can grant permission to switch users to additional groups as well. Troubleshooting your users' problems has never been so easy.